Hello and welcome guys to another airdrop series video, and I'm gonna show you some amazing airdrops today. We can start with the layer 3 where you can go and simply do some quest, and currently their popular quest is going on for season 2. There has been a one season already done, and now there is time for the new season. So I would suggest you to go there and start doing the quest. And the important one is the Infinity Cubes campaign, which will allow you to be eligible for season 2. And you can do all these quests. Here they are. And you will find the link in the description. So go ahead and do that so that you are eligible for the season 2. So next up is the Linea Airdrop. Linea is very important layer 2 network on Ethereum, and this is gonna be dropping their airdrop soon. And what you have to do, you have to go to Linea, and I will put the link in the description. And what you can do, you can go into that link, register your wallet, and you will find this link as well in the description, where you can see the protocols. They're whitelisted sort of eligible protocols that you can put your liquidity. You can provide liquidity to one of these protocols. I am doing it for Stargate currently, and you can choose any, and you will be eligible for the airdrop. Try to put at least $100 or worth of Ethereum. I think that would be really helpful for your eligibility. I can also check mine quickly. I have been doing their quest and so on quite a lot, and you can see my points are this much, and my liquidity that I have been providing is adding up. So yes, let's move on to the next one, which is the Debridge Finance. This is also very important airdrop at the moment, and I would suggest you to go and make some swaps and bridge from one chain to another. And with every transaction that you do, you will earn points. And currently I have 2000 points, and I would suggest you to do that because they have a lot of funding and at least $100 million that they have for funding, and they will be providing a very juicy airdrop soon. So go ahead and do some transactions here and rank up, and I will put the link in the description. All right, so let's talk about the next airdrop, which is the GRVT airdrop. Here it is based on zkSync chain and network. So this is very important ecosystem that they have built on zkSync, and this is the official website. So it's a trading platform again. All you have to do is basically register here and do some small tasks, and you will get some tickets from which you can open the boxes, and then you will be getting an airdrop based on the boxes that you have. So I will put the link in the description as well, so feel free to do it. And yeah, so for example, I have some boxes and I have invited some people, so my position is this much. So if you go ahead and do it, it would be really good for you as well. All right, next let's talk about the next airdrop that will happen soon. Is from Solayer. It's a Solana based ecosystem, Solana ecosystem based airdrop, which will be soon happening if you can just provide some liquidity here in the Solana staking. I am staking some Sol here, and also Infinity here you can see, and with that provided liquidity you will be eligible for their airdrop. Next, I want to talk about the Blast airdrop, and that you can see I have some points gathered based on the liquidity and bridges that I have done on the Blast ecosystem. It's one of the biggest L2 networks on Ethereum, and you can basically put your you can earn points here by providing liquidity on different DeFi protocols. as you can see, or making some transactions even. So go ahead and do that. I will put the link in the description as well, so that it helps you. And don't forget about the Grass airdrop, which is basically installing a Grass extension in your browser, and it just allows you to earn free money. It's basically is using your internet bandwidth, which you are not using at the moment, and it sends it to basically their servers and infrastructure, and you can simply earn points. And it's currently in Epoch 6, and I think it will be happening in 1 month or so. So go ahead and install the extension, and I will put the link in the description as well.